Hi everyone, this is a live demo of Code Eternal. Here you can see our site AIfa Digital. It's have many information, very interactive, interesting with many different things. You can enjoy it and find all information about our project. Here all our technologies, how we make digital soul and everything else. You can read this and I hope enjoy this. Many information, many different info about our project, our IE terminal. You can speak with AIfa, you can speak about everything. It's totally working. It's not too long video, so I'm sure you just little things, but you can join and check everything by yourself. Okay, and let's go there. Let's go to our cabinet. You can enter just by your Gmail. As you can see, it's very fast, everything working in 1 second. Totally everything now on the test mode, so you can enter the cabinet, you can see 3 tariffs. Now one of them is paid. We check the referral system, make some tests, but we're doing just few days. And also you can see what everything working. It's the document on Solana blockchain. Also you can make your own site. I'm put before here all info, so you can check how it's looking. All your information, all your Twitter, website, everything else, your photo, and just create the site. Open passport. And what we have here, look, your digital passport with all info is here. Everything working now on Devnet, but totally we just make some more tests and it's totally ready for deploy to the Solana network, so it's not totally a problem. Here you can see passport, it's working referral system, all transaction on blockchain and everything else. The games would give you soon our tokens, DAO system, smart contracts, all metrics, and also AIfa terminal. Here you can work with AIfa, with eternal memory. Join us, check how everything working. I hope you enjoy our project.